I cannot even believe I'm gonna say this right now, but I designed my own sneaker. With the help of my friends at Kalour, I designed my own sneaker. And honestly, I was surprised at how easy this process was to do. All you do is go on their site, you pick what style of shoe that you want to design. They have low tops, they have high tops. I picked a high top, you already know, put a little bit of extra flavor. And then once you pick the shoe that you want, you design it with not only the colors, but also the material. Which part do you want to be leather? Which part do you want to be suede? What color do you want here? What color do you want there? It is fully customizable sneakers. I am so excited to check them out and see how they actually look, how they feel, how they smell. If you're a sneakerhead, you know what I'm talking about. You know new sneakers got that new sneaker smell. And here's my shoes. Oh my God. Oh my God, I literally am obsessed. I'm obsessed. Oh, they definitely got that new sneaker smell. Love it, love it, love it. These are handmade by your own design. So I went with like pink and black colors. I did a white stripe here. You could pick the stitching that goes here. I did suede at the top. I've got suede throughout. And then I also have some leather touches here. You pick the color on the tongue and also the material that you want on the tongue. And you also get to pick your shoelace color. So when I tell you that this shoe is fully customizable, it literally is fully customizable. You pick anything and everything that you want on this shoe. Also inside your box, they give you an extra pair of laces and a nylon cleaning brush. Bro, I cannot wait to wear these to the gym. I'm so hype about this. So cute, yes, but comfortable? Now that's a real question. Here they are on my feet, super comfy. They are definitely true to size, and they're doing exactly what I wanted them to do, just to spice up a little boring outfit. Okay, Kalour.